Did you know WhatsApp has over 2 billion active users? And businesses of all shape and size is taking advantage of WhatsApp business to generate more leads and increase profits. In this episode, I'm going to provide you with a quick tutorial on how to customize your WhatsApp business experience and perhaps generate more leads and prospects. For those using iPhone, you can navigate to your App Store. In the search engine, type WhatsApp business and make sure to pick the one with this best match. After that, proceed to open. You will have an interface like this, which looks similar to your normal WhatsApp. And the good news is that you can use both your normal WhatsApp and your WhatsApp business on the same device, but different contacts. So let's proceed to open our WhatsApp business. So after launching your WhatsApp business, so we have this section for your chats, and we also have the status, and we also have the call, which basically looks similar to your normal WhatsApp. So on your chat, when you long press a contact, you will see a menus like this. So let me take you through each and every menu. So the first menu is the label menu. So when you click on it, so you have the option to organize your customers and which category they fall within, whether it's a new order, pending payment, or paid, or the order is complete. So you can also add a new label here. So for instance, if we pick new order and we take this box and click on save, automatically you see a label here which indicates that Mubarick MD with this label. So this indicates to us that this is a new client here. So when you long press it again, you have the option to pin this contact. You can also proceed to delete it. You have the option to mute or archive. And on the far extreme right, we have this ellipse. When we click it, we have the option to add the chat to shortcut. We can even view the contact, or we can mark as unread, and we can proceed to select all. So these are a bunch of menus that you will have just upon highlighting a contact here. After that, you can quickly take a picture here, or you can make a quick search. So for instance, if you are looking for a contact, you can just make a quick search here. But before we move on to this ellipse, let's delve into this tool, which has a lot of functionality to explore. So let's click on it. Here we have a drop menu of the business profile and the catalog. So what the business profile does, it helps us to customize our business profile experience. So when you click on the business profile, you have the option to first edit the profile picture that you have by clicking on this icon. You can also proceed to edit the business name. You can also proceed to place the business within a particular category that it belongs. In this case is beauty, cosmetic, and personal care, as well as supermarket, shopping, and retail. And you can also proceed to describe the nature of the business that you are operating. You can provide the location where geographically that business is located and your working hours. You can also proceed to provide the email, the website, and as well to provide the basic images that show your products and services. So when you further scroll down, you can proceed to connect your number to your Facebook page and Instagram. You can also add the specific description of your business. You can also change the contact here. So think of this as a one-stop shop where you can customize every product and services that you do engage in. After that, you can navigate back and proceed to catalog. So when you click on the catalog, you can add the various products and services that you do have. So in our case, we have a couple list of products here. To add a new product, you just have to click on the add new item. Then you can select an image by clicking on this icon and then add the product name and the description. After that, you proceed to save. When you save it, the product will be here. So what this add new collection does is to help us to group particular set of related products under one item. So when you click on this icon, you can just type in the name of the collection that you want to group it here. After that, when you click on save, then you move all those products that relates to that particular collection under one umbrella. It helps to organize your business catalog, which is similar to your WhatsApp shopping experience. So assuming a customer is asking you about the product and services that you do provide, you can navigate here, then quickly click on the product. Then you can share the link directly to the client who is asking for that product. So when we click on this Mubarick MD and share it, the client will have directly access to the product without having to say much about it. So when we navigate back to this item, these are the set of products that we do have. So under reach more customers, we have the option to advertise on Facebook or to connect our Facebook and Instagram. So if you want to connect your WhatsApp number to your Facebook page and Instagram page, you can proceed to click here. Then you can add your Facebook page here. Then you can also add your Instagram. In this case, these two pages are already connected to this contact. After adding it, if you have a change of mind, you want to delete it, you can locate this interface and click on any of these items, then proceed to manage in Facebook. From there, you can remove that product there. So when we navigate back under messaging, we have the option to do greeting message. Think of a greeting message as a message that welcome new customers. So you can customize a message that will be welcoming a new clients, or perhaps clients that have taken 14 days of no activity with you. You can proceed to do all the settings that you need to welcome your clients and then proceed to save. So after that, you have the option to also send away message. If you are busy or your phone is not closer to you, you can leave an away message by sending an automatic reply to your customers. So in this case, when you proceed to click on send, you have the option to draft a new message that you want to leave to your customers in case you are not close by your phone, and then proceed to save. One greatest tool that you can use in WhatsApp Business is the quick reply. Think of quick reply as frequent asked questions responses. So when you notice your customers are constantly asking you of particular set of questions, you can proceed to save your responses that you've been given to those questions here. So anytime a customer asks you such question, all you need to do is just to locate the quick reply and forward those responses to them. It's very productive. It helps you to save a lot of time in operating your business. So from there, we can navigate back. All these tools are there to help you organize your business properly. On the top right corner, we have these three ellipses. When you click on it, you have the option to advertise on Facebook and short link. So the short link is the link of your WhatsApp business. And the settings, you can do a lot of configurations here. So the first one, we've already covered the business tool. With the account is similar to any of the ones you have on your normal WhatsApp. So you have the security notification, how to enable two-step verification, change your number, request account information, or even delete your account. And you also have other tools which is all similar to whatever you have on your normal WhatsApp. WhatsApp Business is very helpful, especially if you are running a business and you want to get more exposure and make better deals out of it. If you watch this video up to this point and you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. If this is your first time to this channel, consider subscribing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.